Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, we will install PHP 8.2 on Ubuntu server. Okay, let's jump in. I have connected to the server from Termius, our server hosted in Amazon Lexel. We have created Ubuntu server 22.04 and we have installed Nginx. You can check with services. You can see that Nginx is active, and we can see by public IP address. Okay, Nginx is installed and ready for connection. Next, we will install the PHP 8.2 on this server. The first thing we need to do is to install some library, software properties, say a certificate, LSB release, and HTTP transports. Hit enter. We agree with enter. The default is Y. Okay, the second one is we add a repository from onreg/php to add this repository in our server. We hit enter for agree. Next, we update to read from our PPA. This one, onreg/php, and after that we can install PHP 8.2 and we install directly also PHP 8.2-fpm. Hit enter again for agree. There are some other PHP library installed with this command. Okay, it's done. We can also install another module like maybe MB string, PHP 8.2, XML, PHP 8.2, MySQL for MySQL server, connect to MySQL server, and we can also add library for CURL. Hit enter again for agree. Okay, we can check PHP with php-v. We have PHP 8.2.12. To check the php-fpm, we can check with service also or systemctl. We use systemctl and status of PHP 8.2 fpm. Right now the process is active. You can see it's automatically active when installed, and we can enable this php-fpm to start when the server is up or from reboot. We already installed Nginx before, and right now we install PHP. Now we want to test if PHP is working with Nginx. So we need to edit the configuration, the default one from Nginx. In conf d default, we need to change the index. We need to add index.php to read this one, and we can see this is the folder of the default web directory. To process the PHP file, we need to add this location block. I'll copy from the snippet. So we can see when the PHP file is requested, it will forward to this one, Unix run php 8.2-fpm sock. Index is index.php. For script name, this is for another configuration or addition configuration. Okay, we go to up again and we copy this one. We'll create info.php on this directory. Done with nginx configuration, we save, hit enter, and we create new file right here. Maybe info.php, and we add php info. We save, Control X, hit enter. Yes, we check our nginx configuration. If it's okay, we restart with services. With service. Sorry, service nginx and restart. Okay, we can check it on browser. This is still working, and when we add info.php, it's not working. Okay, and available. We need to check our configuration. The first one, we need to check our php-fpm full. Okay, I think we need to change this to engine egg. This is also engine egg. Listen, run, it's okay. This is also engine egg. Okay, save. We restart php 8.2 fpm. Okay, we can see again on browser. File not found. Okay, we found the solution that we need to insert the root directory in this block location. So we enter the root directory is user share nginx and html, same as provide in the location root directory. And when we reload the browser, you can see that info.php, you can see our version of PHP version 8.2.12. Okay, we have successfully installed a php-fpm on Ubuntu server 22.04 and make it work with nginx as a web server. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you very much. We hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.